Tap into your skin's natural power with these 3 face massages that smooth, lift, and completely transform your smile lines. No injections, no filters, just real results. Each technique boosts collagen, sculpts your cheeks, and restores that youthful bounce you thought was gone. If you're ready to glow with confidence and let your face feel alive again, this is your sign to start. Your skin will thank you for it. Every line on your face tells a story. Years of laughter, emotion, and expression etched into skin that's simply been living. Smile lines or nasolabial folds form when the muscles around your mouth contract repeatedly over time. And as collagen levels drop, the skin doesn't bounce back as it once did. It's not about stopping those smiles. It's about understanding the deeper layer of change beneath them. Think of your face as a living landscape. Circulation, muscle tone, hydration, and collagen all work together to keep it smooth and lifted. When one weakens, the balance shifts and lines deepen. But here's the empowering truth. Skin is intelligent. With the right stimulation, you can reawaken blood flow, reactivate elasticity, and guide your face back to its natural harmony. Each time you apply mindful touch, you're not just working on the surface. You're communicating with your body's own repair system. You're saying, wake up. Remember, because beauty doesn't fade, it simply forgets, and with awareness, it learns to rise again. Your skin listens to every movement, every intention, teaches strength, and it will remember you. When you start your massage journey, begin with the lymphatic drain and lift. It's like waking up the foundation beneath your skin. Most people focus only on the surface, but your skin's true vitality begins in the layers underneath, where fluid, oxygen, and nutrients circulate. When these pathways get blocked, puffiness and dullness settle in, making smile lines appear deeper. By gently moving your fingers from the chin toward the ears, then gliding along the sides of your nose toward the temples, you're guiding that flow back into motion. The pressure should be light, almost like you're sculpting with intention rather than force. You'll start to feel warmth. That's the body responding, circulation returning. In that moment, your skin isn't just being touched, it's being reminded how to heal. Over time, this practice reduces fluid buildup, defines your natural contours, and gives your face that lifted, alive look from within. It's a reset for both your skin and your energy. Move slowly, breathe deeply, and let every upward stroke remind your skin what it means to rise again. This next technique, the Collagen Activator Press, is all about reawakening your skin's natural support system from within. Underneath every smile line lies a network of fibroblast cells. These are the architects of your collagen and elastin, but with time, stress, and repetitive expressions, they become sluggish, almost like they've forgotten their purpose. By using gentle, rhythmic pressure along the smile lines, you send a signal straight to those cells, telling them it's time to rebuild. Place your fingertips beside your nose, and with slow, mindful presses, follow the curve down toward the corners of your mouth. Feel the subtle pulse under your skin. That's not just movement, it's reactivation. Stay connected to your breath as you do this, because oxygen is what fuels regeneration. With consistent practice, this technique strengthens elasticity, smooths fine lines, and restores that firm, springy texture your skin once had. It's a reminder that rejuvenation isn't forced, it's invited. Press with purpose, breathe with presence, and let your skin remember how to lift itself from within. Now that your skin is awake and circulation is flowing, it's time to sculpt, to guide your facial muscles back into alignment with the cheek sculpt glide. Over time, gravity and habitual expressions can cause the mid-face to soften and sink, making smile lines more visible. But this massage helps retrain those muscles to lift and hold naturally. Use your knuckles or the edge of a gua sha tool and begin at the corners of your mouth, gliding slowly upward along the cheekbones toward the temples. Feel that upward pull. That's your fascia, the connective tissue beneath your skin, responding to gentle tension and movement. Keep your stroke steady, rhythmic and intentional, almost like you're ironing away years of stress. With each glide, you're not just shaping the face, you're restoring symmetry, improving blood flow, and redefining the contour that frames your smile. Do it slowly, like a meditation, calm, steady, aware. Over time, your reflection will show more than lifted skin. It will reflect lifted energy. Each upward glide is a quiet reminder. Your face remembers strength when your touch teaches it how to rise. Consistency is where transformation truly begins. Just like training any other muscle in your body, your facial muscles need regular activation to stay toned and resilient. One day of effort won't erase years of habitual tension, but small, consistent actions create lasting change. Think of your daily massage as a ritual. 5 to 7 minutes of connection with yourself. It's a quiet time where your hands and your skin communicate, building a memory of strength and balance. Over time, this repetition increases circulation, boosts collagen activity, and rewires muscle tone naturally. The skin starts to respond differently. It looks firmer, feels tighter, and carries that subtle inner glow that can't be faked. The beauty of this process is that it doesn't rely on perfection. Some days will feel effortless, others will feel like work, but each session adds another layer of improvement beneath the surface. What matters most is not how fast you see results, but how deeply you stay committed to them. True change doesn't come from intensity, it comes from consistency, one mindful movement at a time.